All right, so I got the Sony A7c II paired with the 24-70 G Master Mark II. I'm out here in Pacifica, California, and gonna do a little bit of photography. Right now, just kind of midday, almost close to noon. So I got a Polar Pro ND filter on just to compensate for that. So if you guys are ready, let's go take some photos. So shooting out in pretty harsh sunlight, as you guys can tell, can be sometimes tricky, but you know, not everyone can always shoot at golden hour, blue hour, sunset, sunrise. So you just have to make the best of what you can, and you know, it shouldn't be an excuse not to take your camera out. If you like photography, you got to challenge yourself sometimes and just try to take the shot. Got a beautiful ridge line in the background, so I'm going to try to take that.
That I can't seem to find.
Just found some interesting looking plant over here, so I'm gonna try to get a shot of that.
This leaves my mind. Waking with a note. How could a poem hold the way I see your soul? All the colors, all the feeling, all the
So guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Again, it was super challenging when it came to the light. It's basically 12 p.m. Peak of the day, so you know, and there's a lot of vastness out here. Hard to just nail down or pinpoint a subject, but I tried my best, and again, battery was fine, didn't overheat, and you know, it's just about the joy of shooting at the end of the day. So A7C Mark II with the 24-70. These are my shots of the day. Thanks for watching, guys.